So Rohit has actually got his comfort cushion seat, the gel seat, which I got it embedded in the bike. It's in the seat itself, but he got an removable layer. So this is a prototype. We're going to test it out. If this works out, you can actually get this thing done easily fixed on any bike you want. So what's popping at you? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Look how clean the Ducati is, and this baby is actually getting ready for the trip, and also saying that we have few boxes which are accessories for the Ducati. Let's see how they go now.
Oh boy, we are actually very excited for these new boxes because, again, what are they? They are panniers. We finally have panniers purchased for our Ducati here for the Multistrada, and it's a new company. It is something which is made in India, so we are supporting. Student is sneezing away. We are supporting our local manufacturers here. So we are trying out.
These are heavy, my boy.
That's a huge box. Okay, these are the side panniers. I think that will be the top box. The top box we've actually got it for the Africa Twin, the same company, and the side panniers for this bike. So let him open it up. Let's see how is it going to look. In photos, it looks amazing. We have obviously not seen it in person. We're going to see it for the first time right now. In photos, it looks better than SW Motec or
The Hepco Baker which I use.
yeah, we'll actually show you. We have a Hepco Baker bag with us. I have used Chaitanya's SW Motec as well in a trip which I've gone before. So I know how those look, function. SW Motec I find is a better quality than Hepco Baker. Agreed on that?
100%.
And how does this look in person? We'll have to see. Just give us 2 minutes. We'll unbox it and come back. Panniers on itself, which belong to us. They look fab.
They look very good.
The best part is they've given reflectors on it already. Okay, boys, this is an amazing setup. What do you guys think about it? Oh boy, the top box, although it is not purchased for the base plate of the Ducati, we've purchased it for the Africa Twin. We have a Hepco Baker top case, which I will be using it for this bike. And we'll put this, we wanted to see it on both the bikes, how do they look and all. So we purchased it.
To be honest, the finish which these top boxes, these panniers have is like next level, and you're actually paying fraction of the cost for the other imported panniers and top boxes. So come closer. Look at the finishing inside.
Like, yeah, wow.
It's all what material is this? Buddy?
I don't know, it's kind of rubberized basically.
So generally, our old panniers, they don't have these
Inlays,
cloth layers. You actually have to purchase them separately, but with these boxes you get them with these included.
Dude,
so
this is like amazing. There's a pouch here, there's a zipper to put all these simple stuff.
what these do, if at all you put any laptops or any keys or something, they don't rattle. And
Yep. And look, it's actually, it's velcroed inside, so the entire thing stays in place, and it also makes it waterproof.
100% waterproof.
Yeah.
And
Oh
very-
boy, this is such an amazing case. Okay, we'll just show you the case which Hepco Baker makes, which we actually put on the Africa Twin. You can see the difference. Look at that. This is basically an aluminium box, and there's nothing inside.
See, to be honest, to manufacture these, they cost absolutely nothing. But if a local manufacturer, local bike enthusiast starts making one of these at fraction of the cost of making these, it's always helpful for everyone, right?
Absolutely.
Now you can lock your luggage to your bike and you can roam hassle free.
And we need to do a couple of small changes in this for this to fit. The SW Motec, the base plate is different to this box. So all that is included. In SW Motec I had to pay 2,000 bucks just for these plates. So again, these boxes are
actually
tailor-made
tailor-made.
for each and every manufacturer which produces all these crash
Right
cars
from
and
like
all.
super bikes to like high-end bikes to the lower end Bajaj or Royal Enfields. These can be tailor-made for any bike. You can actually contact us.
Yeah, we are going to help you source this. You can contact us on Instagram or you can mail us on our handles, which are in the description and also in this video now. You can contact us, tell us what bike you want it for, and we'll give you the pricing for it, and we can take forward from there. Before that, we need to fix this, and then we'll fix all this, and we'll come back and show you the entirety of it in detail.
And also to remove the panniers is actually quite easy. This is not mounted. Let me remove this first.
Again, this is an SW Motec rack. SW Motec, I find it easy on anything. Your Hepco Baker is a pain, that one.
Oh yeah, it's a pain.
And I don't know, for this bike, for this pannier boxes, they make it for the Hepco Baker as well. It's going to be a different back plate.
So it's quite easy.
Lift it out. So for every different manufacturer, because SW Motec has these kind of bobbins, they've manufactured a plate like that. If it's for another manufacturer which has got a round bar, it's a different base plate so that it mounts to that directly. So let's change all that is needed here and then let's come back. Middle of the night, it's 12 in the night and we are actually still packing. We have planned for a sudden trip. I have no idea from where did this come up, but we are actually heading to Pondicherry at about 5:30 in the morning. That's about 5.5 hours from now.
Initially we actually planned to go to Nasik, but there were actually too many rains. The weather forecast in Maharashtra is very bad for the next 1 week. So we saw the small pocket of air where there's no black clouds. So we're going to Pondicherry, Mahabaleshwar, Pondicherry, wherever possible.
Actually, we don't have a plan yet. This has happened today. We've basically planned for everything within the last 24 hours. First, we thought of in and around Nasik, but because of the rains, we've changed. Look at that new helmet. That belongs to our neighbor. That belongs to Sanu. Even he's coming on his Interceptor. Yeah, 6 of us were traveling, and oh boy, we've just kind of winding up our packing and stuff. It's been quite a hectic evening.
And
As we guys showed you the new panniers, we had a little bit of a run because the mounting brackets were of a different size. So we had to fabricate one small part, but it didn't take long. But it ate up our evening, and because of that, our packing time was kind of
your
limited.
English becomes British or what? That's how you're talking right now.
I don't know, whatever is happening, dude. I'm tired now. Entire day. And oh boy.
Yeah, most of it's done. Just the power banks, few towels, power banks, socks, and the riding gear.
Yeah, riding gear is also ready pretty much, right?
So, and this camera should go back inside.
And we need to put a lube.
Yes,
chain
lube
lube.
and water bottle.
Yes, and I think we're pretty much done.
So we are taking the Ducati and the Africa.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Longer distance.
So there's going to be one Ducati, one Africa, one 1250 GS 1250, 3 Interceptors 650s. So there's going to be 6 of us going to Mahabaleshwar. So meet you guys tomorrow morning.
Exactly. It's actually time for us to sleep. It's pretty late and we need to get up in pretty much 5 hours from now. That's all. So some small nap and then we're off for this teeny meeny 4 or 5 day trip. So we're gonna have fun for sure. Oh boy. Good night. See you in the morning, guys.
For the first time, I'm ready on time. Actually, before time. Rohit was the one who's late.
It's okay. And we are completely ready. Bikes are ready. Fully packed. We have a lot of luggage for about a 3-4 day trip because if not, everybody is having luggage. Sannu Bhai is on his bike for the change today. Finally. He's on his Interceptor and oh boy, we are absolutely geared up. We should not waste time. We should directly go GoPro mode and then on the highways, right?
Yeah, but this vlog is going to end here, right? So day 1 vlog will come after 2 days.
Yeah, so see you again in the next vlog. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye.
Peace out. What's up? Good morning. For the first time, I'm ready on time. Wow.